Welcome to a world of possibility where the road to riches isn't paved with gold, but with 10 invaluable assets that can propel you to billionaire status. Today, we explore these keys to wealth that can change your financial game entirely. Brace yourself for an exciting journey into the heart of smart investing. First on our list is real estate. This asset stands as a towering monument of wealth generation. Properties, whether commercial or residential, provide a dual benefit: steady income through rental yields and appreciation in value over time. Next, we have stocks. The stock market, a playground for the vigilant and informed investor, can yield impressive returns. It's a game of patience and insight. The third asset is cryptocurrency. A newcomer in the financial landscape, cryptocurrencies have shown the potential to yield astronomical returns for those brave enough to navigate this volatile market. Fourth, we have art. The world of art is not just about aesthetics and appreciation, it's a lucrative investment opportunity. Art pieces, especially from renowned artists, can appreciate over time, making it an attractive asset. Our fifth asset is intellectual property. This asset class includes patents, copyrights, and trademarks. A unique idea or invention can be a goldmine, and owning the rights to it can bring in a fortune. Sixth on our list is precious metals. Gold, silver, and other precious metals have always been a safe haven for investors. Their value tends to be resistant to economic downturns, making them a reliable asset. Seventh, we have luxury goods. Designer bags, watches, and jewelry not only signify opulence, but also have the potential for high returns. These items, especially limited edition pieces or those from high-end brands, can appreciate in value over time. Our eighth asset is oil and gas. This industry may be volatile, but with the right knowledge and resources, it can be a lucrative investment opportunity. Ninth on our list is startup companies. Investing in startups can be risky, but if you back the right horse, the returns can be phenomenal. Finally, the 10th and perhaps the most crucial asset is yourself. You are your biggest asset. Investing in your education, skills, and personal development can yield the highest returns in the long run. So, there you have it, the 10 assets that can catapult you into the billionaire club. Remember, the road to wealth is not just about accumulating money, but investing it wisely. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, keep investing smart and stay financially savvy.